In this video, you're going to learn the updated way to enable voice chat in Roblox. So first things first, you can see up here in the right-hand corner, my username here. There's something here that says 13 plus. Your account must be 13 years of age or older on the account under the settings. And once that is the case, all you have to do is go into the settings by clicking on the gear icon here and then going to settings. And then once you're under settings, you'll see here under account info, I have a phone number that is verified. So it can't just be a phone number, the phone number has to be verified. In order to do that, you'll want to click the pencil icon next to where it says phone number to go to either add or update phone number. And then as you can see, you'll add the number here. It'll then ask you to go through a process to where you will get an email verification number texted to that number. You just confirm that is the number, and then you're good to go. Your phone will be verified. Once you've done all of that, you have a 13 plus aged account. You also have a phone number that is verified with the check mark here. You then go back to settings here, go to privacy, content, and maturity, and then go to communication, should be second or third down the list, and then go ahead and click into voice chat. And now you're going to see something here that allows you to enable microphone. Just remember, when there is a red dot, if you're on mobile or iOS device, that means that Roblox is recording audio. Understand that. Also, another pro tip, not all experiences or games on Roblox have voice chat enabled or even turned on, so just know that you may have it done right, you may just be in a game that does not provide access to voice chat. That's how you do it. A FAQ section will be in the pinned comment below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.